Hey, what's going on, guys? Alan Kushmakov here with Best Homes Real Estate. We got today one of our best agents in a company, and he's been with us, Alberto, for
About 2 years, a little bit over 2 years.
2 years, a little bit over 2 years, and we're doing a Best Agent Spotlight for the month of October. Alberto, in the last couple of weeks, was able to get 3 buyers under contract in this crazy market that we're experiencing right now with a lack of inventory. He was able to get 3 buyers, and mind you, all of these buyers were in what price range?
Less than 200,000.
All of them under 200,000?
Except for one. One was like under 260, and the other ones were under 200,000.
So if you want to get your buyer under contract under 250, talk to this man right here. He's gonna hook you up. But and what? Just I guess a couple of questions for you, Alberto. I mean, what kind of attributed to getting those, 3 leads? Obviously, we generate a lot of leads for our agents, right?
Yep.
And you work those leads. But what really kind of helped you to get those 3 buyers out there, start showing them homes, and of course getting them under contract?
Yeah. I think my biggest motivation was probably all the work that led up to it with these buyers. Most of these required constant follow-up, constant education about the constantly changing market, especially this year. As you know, the market has been all over the place, and a lot of people have been kind of struggling to catch up to see what the market is doing, what the price is doing, what they're doing. Those price points, are really difficult to secure. Any agent and any brokers will tell you that's a hard one to get. Anybody who wants something in that price range, I mean, you're pretty much getting the whole state after that one property. So the fact that we were able to do that for all of them within a week was definitely very encouraging. But again, it was because the follow-up, the leading up to them, and of course the clients, when they're looking, they feel a little, after a while of losing out on a couple, they lose a little bit of hope. So it's just reassuring them, letting them know, it's just a matter of time, we will find it. And sure enough, we found it for all 3 of them. So pretty happy to do that. I think the main motivation was probably, like I said, leading up to it, not only for my clients, but on my end as well. Just going through that whole roller coaster of up and downs in this real estate industry. I think definitely hit a down right before that, and that pretty much just lit a fire under my feet to get going and make sure that I did my clients well.